All right, so we just got the car cup holder tray, foldable tray, and expandable base. This is the box. Let's see what we get inside. Oh, okay. Like all good products, comes with directions. Screenshot if you need. And then, all right, let's see what we got here. This looks like the thing that goes in to the, cup holder on your car. And here it is. Here she comes. Oh. Yikes. Hope I didn't break it. Oh, it's got all kinds of stuff. All right, hang on. Let me get it. Oh. This would go great for people who live in their cars. All right, so this, oh yeah, look at this thing. This opens up into a tray, and then it folds up like this. And it's got this little thing right here. And I think you go like this. Well, it's supposed to fit on there. Wait a minute, hang on, there's more parts. There's this thing, which is, oh, it's a screwdriver and a screw. So hang on, let me set that down. We got to get this open. Sometimes you just got to manify it. Okay, so look at that big ass screw, and you get a screw. You get a Phillips head screwdriver and a Phillips head screw that goes somewhere. We're going to have to figure this out. All right, so we've got this thing, right? We know that this probably goes like that, right? And I'm thinking the screw goes in there, but it has like different, oh man, that's weird. So that looks weird. See how that's the way it is there? Oh, this moves. Okay, I see. All right, so you can move this around so you can screw it in wherever you want, depending on, where your cup holder is. You follow me? So like if you put it in the middle, this thing is going to be here. But you can slide it like that if you need to, right? You follows me? But when you put the screw in, it's going to be locked down in one of those three positions. So for now, let's just go, we'll stick it in the middle, like that, okay? And you got to make sure that you get it so that you can get the screw in. All right, then you're going to put this here, like that, right? And then we got to get the screw in there. Okay. I'm gonna put the screw right through there like that. You see that? Oh shit, just dropped it. Oh God. It's never easy. Never easy, right? Okay, here we go. Got the screw, right? I'm gonna kind of hold it by sticking my finger in there like that. Then I'm gonna take this, push that right down on it. And then I'm gonna take my Phillips head there, and I'm screwing it in. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's going in. Ta-da! So let's see if you can see it. There it is, right? So I took this, I went in there, and I screwed it in. Righty-tighty. All right, so that's done, okay? Now this, I do believe just goes right in there like that. It kind of covers up the screw, right? Now, last but not least, we've got this, look. And I think that this, I'm not sure if this comes up or not. Yeah, it does. All right, so this comes up too, look. So you can raise or lower your dinner table, right? Or your work table. And of course, this thing doesn't want to go on. man, that's hard. It'll go on, but pain in the butt. All right, so now that's on there. All right, so here we are, right? This is what we got. Oh, look, my table's opening up. And then you could put your little meal on there. You got a little spot to put your phone, too. Check it out, look. So you could put your phone here while you're eating dinner. I'm just having my snacks. And then this would go right into your thing. It's quite a setup, I must say. All right, so now that we've got it all put together, you know what I mean? This here you can loosen, right? And we'll pull it down. So, you know, depending on how high, you know, it's going to be. I mean, this is going to fit in your cup holder like that, right? And then we'll show you in the car. But that is how to put it together and unboxing it. And this turns a little bit. But, yeah, so, you know, when you set it in, you know, if you're going to be putting this over your lap, you just do it like that. And, yeah, that's your, you know, if you're on the go and you work out, you know, you're working out of your car, this is a great little thing, man. I mean, I got to say, it's, you know, it's all plastic, but just be careful not to break it. But, you know, there you are. You could be sitting here like, you're sitting there like this, and you got you're doing your little phone in here, you know, you're eating your food or whatever. You know, I don't know what you're going to do. You can put anything you want on here. You can put a book on there, but looks like it's going to work good. Now we just got to take it down and put it in the car.